Hey everyone, I just wanted to put a quick video together to show you around Hootsuite. I've been using Hootsuite to schedule some posts on Facebook, on LinkedIn and also on Twitter. So I just want to show you quickly how it works. So um, you can add on the free version of Hootsuite, which is what I use at the moment. I've got no reason to pay for it as yet. I'm just testing it out. I've added my Twitter account, my Facebook account, and also my LinkedIn account. And it's pretty easy to just schedule posts, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So once you've logged in, you can add your social networks on here. It's pretty easy. I don't think mine will let me because I've added the maximum, but you just click on the item you want to add and then it will allow you to connect. And then once you've got your three, so those are the three that I've used, all you have to do is you have to put in your item here. So if it's text, you would put your text in here. You can also add a link. So if it's a link to say a blog post, you can add it in here. Or you can attach things like files. So, if you saved a quote from, which is an image from your computer, you can add it in here. And it's all pretty self-explanatory. Then what you can do once you've done that is you can click on, if you click on the button here which says schedule, you can actually schedule when it wants to go out. So either what you can do is you can click on a date and put in a time, so you can be really specific on when you want to schedule these posts. And oh yeah, also I should mention that you need to click, can you see they've turned blue? If you turn them all blue by clicking on them, you'll know that all of those profiles are going to be posted in. So can you see at the bottom there, it's got the three different symbols. So yeah, you can either auto schedule them by putting in a date and a time, AM or PM, or you can do the auto schedule, which is what I've been doing, and you can tell them when you want them to be sent. So I think I've got something like six posts every 24 hours or something like that over the three platforms. So I really like it because it just gives you a break from posting. If you're really busy and you're wondering how you're going to keep on top of posting as well as all the other stuff that you go on and do in the background, like messaging people and getting to know people and sending out orders and motivating your team, then you can use this tool to kind of give you a bit of headspace. That's why I'm really enjoying using it at the moment, because it just gives you a bit of time to focus on other things. You shouldn't really rely on posts to get work. I see posting as a way of just keeping your name out there. It's important what you post. So, I tend to post either content or I post quotes, or I'll post, for example, I've got a free Facebook training course, so I put in a link to that people can download. So it's stuff that has to be relevant. So it's not a great idea to schedule a load of posts that are all based around hardcore selling, where you're saying, join me for this team, or buy this product now, that type of thing. It's not going to work for that. This is meant to be something that's scheduling content and information that's going to be useful. So that's just a free tool that you can use. The other thing, when you've scheduled them as well, it tells you your list of things that have been scheduled for, and then if you think it's too much, you can kind of delete a few or move a few around, whatever you think. So I think it's pretty good. It gives you the schedules for the next day as well, so you can tell what's going to be scheduled. And yeah, it's pretty easy to use. You know, there's nothing that's difficult about it. So hopefully you'll find that useful. And give me a shout if you've got any questions. Thank you. Bye.